Hey, Allison.
Hey, Wes.
How's it going?
Good.
Congrats, I heard you made VP.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. Say, what's with all the receipts?
I've got 1 hour to file my expense report. I've got to run to a meeting right now. It's just so frustrating. I have to spend all this time doing this.
I'm sorry. Hey, I got this cool tool I think you should check out.
Yeah?
If you go through all your receipts in Gmail, there's this little tool you click on at the bottom. It pulls in all the information out of your receipt, like the date, the amount, who it's for. You just plug in a spreadsheet, and boom, when you're done, you'll have an entire spreadsheet full of all your expenses, one place to do your expense report.
Really? That is amazing. Can you show me how to use that later? I've got to run.
Okay.
But let's meet up later.
All right, good seeing you.
Bye.
Sometimes the most powerful of tools come in small packages, and today's example is no exception. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the G Suite Dev Show. I'm your host, Wesley Chun. Today we're solving a common business use case by building a Gmail add-on. I'm joined by Sundar Soleil, the engineer who built the tool we'll be discussing. So Sundar, what motivated you to write this app?
One problem we all try to tackle in our own way is managing business expenses. These days, most businesses send email receipts, so it's natural to have a tool for users directly in Gmail, just like when you demoed the add-on to Allison earlier.
So what's the add-on again? Well, it's a mini app that runs within Gmail, and that cute little interactive UI is called a card. Cards could be as simple as text dialogues, but could also include formatted text, images, links, buttons, and even forms like ours. A variety of widgets are available to developers. The best part is that cards work seamlessly whether viewed on the desktop or on mobile.
The add-on features the code that creates the card. It also powers the rest of the logic, including parsing the email and talking to Google Sheets. So how does one create a Gmail add-on? The secret is Google AppScript. AppScript is server-side JavaScript customized to execute in Google's cloud, giving your apps access to G Suite data in Drive, Gmail, Sheets, plus other Google and external services. This link takes you to videos to learn more about AppScript.
While add-ons are powered by AppScript, they extend the standard functionality that everyone gets in G Suite apps like Docs, Sheets, and now Gmail. See the blog posts for more information. The Gmail add-on we're covering addresses that exact use case for processing business expenses. Sundar, can you give us a bit more on your add-on?
Sure, Wes. Our sample app is called Expediting, and like you saw with Allison, it scans the date, amount, and vendor from email receipts, presenting a mini form that's automatically filled in with details. Users can edit if necessary, then submit those values to a spreadsheet without ever leaving Gmail. Let's walk through some of the core parts of the add-on to give you an idea of how they're built. Then you'll have enough knowledge to build your own when an idea inspires you. The first function is Get Contextual Add-on. This is the entry point that's called to launch the add-on. Gmail add-ons run on a per-message basis, so whatever message you're on, that's the message ID that's passed to Get Contextual Add-on. Here, with the help of some utility functions, the email message is parsed for the relevant values from the receipt. Once we have all the values in the prefills array, the UI add-on is built and given to Gmail to render. It calls Create Expenses Card to do this. Create Expenses Card creates the primary UI of the add-on, with the form values being optional so users can edit if desired, and finally, a possible submission status. Because neither parameter is required, there's a lot more flexibility in terms of the UI that's rendered. With the same code, you can have forms with values but no status, a status-only text dialog without form fields, or both. Due to the size of the function, we've left out the optional status processing code to focus on the key components here. The last function we'll preview is Submit Form. Once the user submits the form, we need to push that data into a Google Sheet. The first part validates the form values, then it adds a new row into the sheet specified by the URL. Note we've left out the error checking code so as to focus on adding the expenses to the sheet. And that's it. You've now seen the key pieces of a Gmail add-on.
Thanks, Sundar. Want to build Expenseit yourself step by step? Then try our code lab that will help you do just that. To see what others have done with Gmail add-ons, check out the Developer Showcase talk at Google Cloud Next.
If you want to do some more research before tackling the code lab, read the Gmail add-ons overview, or check out the quick start for a shorter code sample. If you're interested in add-ons for Docs, Sheets, or Forms, check out the third link.
And this is just the beginning. Now it's time for you to use your imagination to think about how else you can extend Gmail to solve a problem or make users more efficient with Gmail add-ons. Thanks to Sundar for stopping by today to help us walk through his cool app.
Hey, Wes.
Hey, Allison. How's it going?
Oh, I love this Gmail add-on. Thank you so much for showing it to me. I did my expense report so fast.
Sure, no problem, Allison. And we look forward to seeing what you build with Gmail add-ons. This is Wesley Chung from Google. Thanks for stopping by the Dev Show today, and we'll see you upstairs in the G Suite.